carrying African Union peacekeepers. Now, the rebels had threatened to attack anyone using the airport. No one was killed in that attack, but 15 civilians were killed in the fighting that followed. Abdullah Musa reports.
Surveying the damage, another deadly attack in the south of the Somali capital, Mogadishu. Ethiopian-backed troops launched a mortar attack on civilian areas, wreaking destruction.
What happened in Mogadishu has had an effect on our daily lives. We lost a young boy and 3 girls from the attacks. We took the injured to hospital who were innocently sitting at home.
The attack was in response to more than 35 mortars launched by Somali alshabaab fighters at the international airport, just minutes after the landing of a military plane transporting equipment and rations to the African peacekeeping forces. A spokesperson for the AU mission said that the attacks were not random attacks on civilians, but an act of self-defense. Mogadishu International Airport has become a concern for the Al-Shabaab group, who issued a public threat on Monday, calling for the closure of the airport and promised to attack aircrafts using it. They see the airport as a tool of Ethiopia's occupation. Al-Shabaab is the strongest and best organized opposition group and has refused to take part in the UN-backed peace process in Djibouti. Ethiopian troops have been fighting alongside the Somali interim government to oust the Islamic forces that took control of a swathe of southern Somalia in 2006. Abdullah Musa, Al Jazeera.